How to pin emails in Outlook. First of all, open your Outlook account on your PC or mobile of your choice. Here I have opened in the browser of my choice. So once you open and sign into your Outlook account, you just have to hit on the inbox. On the inbox, you have to select any email that you want to pin in Outlook. So when you simply touch on any email, then here you can see the three options here. The first one is mark as read, the second is flag this message, and the third one is it is a pin like icon. So in order to pin emails in Outlook, you just have to click in this pin icon. Let's click on this pin so that this will keep this message at the top of your folder. So click on this pin icon, and at the top only you can easily find out that email has been pinned in Outlook. So if you want to pin another email as well, then you can simply touch that email and click on the pin icon. So now the both emails has been pinned in Outlook. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.